Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Motorola E6s. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, try to find app called Notify Buddy. You have the name right here and it's this app. Click on install. When it's ready, you should be able to launch it. Move to the next step and grant 2 permissions. Allow display over the other apps. And grant notification permission. Last we have battery optimization, and it's optional, so don't disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now move on. And here we have a fully working app. So there's a 4 tabs: user, in which you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. There's a system. Here you can select any system bound apps. In active you can see all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen. Now let's click on the test button, and here we should be able to find the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.